Ever wondered how to seamlessly use your Paysafe card for purchases directly from your iPhone? Let's dive in. First, you need to either have a physical Paysafe card or a digital voucher. The key here is the 16-digit PIN on your card or voucher, as this is your unique access code. To get started, open the App Store on your iPhone. This is where we'll download the official Paysafe app, which is crucial for managing your Paysafe balance. In the search bar, type Paysafe and then tap search. You're looking for the official Paysafe app. Why Euro? Make sure it's the genuine one by checking the developer. Once you find it, tap Get to download and install the app. You might need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After the app is installed, open it. If you don't have an account, tap Register and follow the on-screen prompts to set one up. If you do, simply log in. Within the Paysafe app, locate the Top Up or Add Funds option. This is where you'll link your physical Paysafe card or voucher to your digital Paysafe account. Enter the 16-digit PIN from your Paysafe card or voucher into the designated field within the app. Double-check for accuracy before proceeding. Once entered, confirm the addition. Your Paysafe balance will now be updated within the app, ready for online transactions. Now, when you're making an online purchase on your iPhone, look for Paysafe as a payment option at checkout. This is typically done by selecting other payment methods or digital wallets. Selecting Paysafe will redirect you to a Paysafe payment portal, either within your browser or directly integrated into the app. Log in using your Paysafe account credentials you just set up. Review the transaction details and confirm the payment. The amount will be deducted directly from your Paysafe balance, making your online purchase secure and straightforward. And just like that, you've successfully used your Paysafe card for a payment on your iPhone. Happy shopping!